So I went to install a new faucet in my probably aged sink, and lo and behold, it didn't fit in the hole. So I figure out what I need, and I found this relatively simple item, and I already had the right angle grinder. And basically, this is the diamond coated finger bit 3/4, and it's good to mill tile in large grind polish shaped holes on porcelain, ceramic, marble, granite, countertops. But this was I believe metal sink with a little bit of ceramic coating, so it did the job well, very fast. It's a 5/8 thread to a 3/8 with a hex shank adapter, so you could put in a regular drill, and it fits right onto my right angle grinder. So everything was ready to go right out the package. It comes in a nice little box, and for the best results, they recommend RPM between 6,000 and 11,000 RPM, which is pretty substantial in this right-handed grinder, but it got the job done in no time, and it solved my problem of making the hole just a little bit larger so I could get my new sink in there. So this comes really handy to have, and it saved me a ton. Did not have to replace a sink, got me out of a bind. It's good to have, and it worked well.